everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make mango lassi. In order to make mango lassi, you need some curd and mango pulp. If you do not have mango pulp and have fresh mangoes, you can add that in. But you also need to add in some sugar. The first step is I'm going to add some mango pulp into the curd. I think that's enough for me. Just give it a nice mix. You don't need to mix it too good because we'll be adding it into the blender. So here I've fairly mixed it. I'm going to pour it into the blender jar. And now you're just going to blend it until everything is nice, thick and creamy. After you're done blending together the yogurt and mango pulp or mangoes, and pour it into a cup. Here, look at that. After you're done pouring it, and if you think it's too thick, like not even too watery, then pour in some milk. Okay, I'm just going to get a spoon and I'll mix it together. There you have it. A nice mango lassi.